Hello everyone, my name is Josh Walker. I'm here with Safety Plus Steering Control. Today we're going to be installing our blue 41230 steering stabilizer. We're going to be installing on a Freightliner motorhome chassis, Class A, solid I-beam axle. This will equip your XC, your XCM, XCR, and XCS. Before we get started on this, please make sure you read through thoroughly all your installation instructions. Make sure you have all your proper safety equipment, your tools, and all the hardware needed to get this job done safely. Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to want to pull the vehicle in a straight position so you can gain access under the vehicle. Step 2, we're going to want to remove the nuts and the bolt from the passenger side shock mount. Replace the existing bolts with the new bolts that are provided in the blue Safety Plus box. We are going to use the original washers on the shock mount and use the new nuts provided with the bolts in the blue box. We're going to add our anchor bracket to the shock plate using the existing washers and the new nuts provided. We're now going to tighten and torque this down to 250 foot-pounds. Install tie rod bracket onto the tie rod with the U-bolts provided. If necessary, you want to clean your tie rod with a Scotch-Brite pad to remove the debris. Do not fully tighten at this time. Step 4. Tighten unit bolt on anchor bracket to 120 foot-pounds while using the spacer provided. Mount large end of unit to the tie rod bracket and do not tighten at this time. Tighten the U-bolts on the tie rod to 20 foot-pounds. Finally, you're going to want to tighten the unit bolt on the tie rod bracket to 120 foot-pounds. Step 5. Check to make sure the unit is clearing of all other parts on the vehicle by turning fully left and fully right. You should not come in contact with any components on the vehicle. Very important note, spacer must be used in the install to prevent contact with the fuel tank when deflating your airbags. Alright, that concludes today's installs. We hope that you found this video very helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or visit our website. We are here to help. We wish you all the best and safe travels.